This is my review of the Honeywell 3-speed room fan. As you can see, it's very compact, but don't let that fool you. So just to keep it very clear, I've had this fan for probably over 5 years. I travel a lot, and so I live in different, I spend a lot of time in like different homes or different apartments. And I like to have some white noise when I sleep, but I also like to have airflow when I sleep. And I don't always know if I'm going to have a good ceiling fan or not where I'm going. So I also need something compact enough to be able to pack in my car really easily. This fan has been a lifesaver for me. So if you're looking for a compact fan that also gives off a good amount of airflow and some white noise, but it's not too loud, that's speed 1. That's speed 2. And that's speed 3. So you can kind of hear it. It gives off some good noise. It gives off some good airflow. It's really directional. You can set it on the ground, or you can set it like on like a countertop near your bed or whatever room you're trying to get airflow in. But this is a great value fan because it's small, but it also works, and it's also mobile, so you can take it wherever you want to go. I highly recommend this fan. If you haven't tried Honeywell out before, the 3-speed fan is the way to go. Give it a shot.